Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Pickle Jar Fntd updated. Start by tapping the lid edge gently with a spoon to break the vacuum, then run warm water over the lid for a minute to expand the metal slightly. Grip the jar with a non-slip pad or rubber glove and use steady pressure while turning. If the lid still resists, try a jar opener or leverage tool and always protect your hands and surface. In this video, I will show how to get Pickle Jar Fntd updated. Gather a rubber jar opener, a pair of flexible gloves, and a small butter knife for pressure equalization. Warm water and gentle taps are often enough when combined with improved grip. For stubborn lids, a jar wrench or strap wrench adds safe leverage without damaging the lid. Always work on a stable surface and keep your fingers clear of the edge. In this video, I will show how to get Pickle Jar Fntd updated. Try thermal tricks like hot water on the lid or a short freeze to change metal size and break the seal. When using the hammer trick, wrap the lid in a cloth and tap lightly around the rim to release vacuum pockets. If you use tools, apply slow, steady force and stop if the jar flexes or the lid deforms to avoid accidents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.